Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Spring is the season of renewal, a time when nature wakes up from its winter slumber and bursts forth with vibrant colors and fresh scents. It's only natural to want to bring some of that invigorating energy into your living space. With a few simple touches, you can transform your home into a haven of springtime bliss. Start by infusing your space with light and airiness. Swap out heavy curtains for sheer ones that allow the sunlight to filter through, filling the room with a warm, welcoming glow. Open up windows to let in the crisp spring breeze, bringing with it the scent of blooming flowers and freshly cut grass. Embrace the colors of spring by incorporating pastel hues throughout your decor. Soft shades of lavender, blush pink, baby blue, and mint green can instantly lift the mood of any room. Consider adding accent pillows, throws, or even a fresh coat of paint in these refreshing tones to breathe new life into your space. Floral arrangements are a quintessential element of spring decor. Opt for seasonal blooms like tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and cherry blossoms to add a burst of color and fragrance to your home. Arrange them in vases or decorative pots and place them on tables, mantels, or windowsills for an instant touch of springtime charm. Incorporate natural elements into your decor to bring the outdoors in. Wicker baskets, wooden accents, and potted plants can add a sense of warmth and texture to your living space. Consider displaying a collection of botanical prints or hanging a macrame plant hanger to create a bohemian-inspired vibe. Don't forget about the power of scent in setting the mood for spring. Choose candles, diffusers, or room sprays with fresh, floral fragrances like jasmine, rose, or lilac to evoke the essence of the season. Citrus scents like lemon and orange can also add a zesty, energizing touch to your space. Finally, don't overlook the importance of decluttering and simplifying your space to create a sense of openness and serenity. Pack away heavy blankets and winter decor items, opting instead for minimalist accents that allow your springtime decor to take center stage. By incorporating these simple touches, you can transform your living space into a sanctuary of springtime bliss where you can relax, recharge, and revel in the beauty of the season.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!